Hi, thanks for taking a look at this video. If you've clicked on this particular video link, your curiosity and time to market, which if we're being realistic, is really time to revenue, is not yours alone. Getting it done faster and better is not optional for us to compete in this fast-paced global market. You have to get to market first, without sacrificing reliability or the performance of your products. Getting it right the first time and getting it done before your competitors is now and has always been a reality to be competitive. In market research document after market research document, time to market consistently ranks as the #1 care about. However, the giant pink elephant in the room is it actually hitting release dates? Rarely if ever happens. I'm fortunate that I get to travel the world in my role here at Altium. And I often ask a very simple question of those looking at Altium Designer for the first time. How well are you hitting your release dates? Get some interesting feedback, but universally, and more often than not, it's a chuckle and the acknowledgement that they actually never hit these targets. I can tell you personally that as a design engineer many years ago, I don't recall ever achieving it. And if we did, it was because as we approached our target release date, we simply moved the date. Or worse yet, removed features and functions that our customers desperately wanted. Why is this? Well, let's take a look at this simple cocktail napkin sketch. The age-old approach to designing an electronic product consists of many individual pieces, with each design domain and/or individual existing in their own design silo. Traditionally, we refer to this as a tool chain. A tool chain where the schematic designer is using one product from one vendor, the PCB designer is using yet another product from yet another vendor, and your libraries are being managed using another product still. We can continue this dialogue until we get through your entire design process. What's wrong with this approach, you may ask? Isn't this the way it's supposed to be? Well, anecdotally, we know that a tremendous amount of time is sucked away from your job inventing the next really cool thing, simply dealing with this manual and translative process. That, of course, is anecdotally. However, according to an article published in the Journal of the Society for Information Science and Technology, 40 to 60% of an engineer's day, that's 40 to 60% of your day, is spent processing, communicating, and disseminating information. So as you've probably already concluded in your own mind, it's all these bits in between that provide you with the single biggest opportunity to improve and actually begin to achieve these all too elusive release dates. Unless you're using Altium Designer, all of these bits in between consist of things like netlists, spreadsheets, email chains, sticky notes, and well, you name it. If we go back to our sketch, what we're suggesting is that this manual, multiple file format, translation-laden, status quo toolchain approach to design is your single biggest enemy in actually achieving your #1 goal. In very simple terms, with Altium Designer, we address at its core the issue with this approach, the toolchain itself. Rather, we do away with the toolchain altogether. We give you the ability to make, propagate, and most importantly, document design changes in a single, unified design platform from concept straight through to manufacture with the push of a button. But is this approach really better? Well, when surveyed, 93% of new users that adopt Altium Designer tell us that yes, they are more productive. In fact, 84% tell us that they are at least 200% more productive using Altium Designer. Of course, I invite you to browse this site and see for yourself. Thanks for watching.